Welcome to Bev Jamaican Cooking. Today I'm going to make my Easter bun. Okay, let's go. Here I have sieved 6 cups of flour. This is my cinnamon powder, allspice, my nutmeg, tip of salt, and my baking powder. 4. Next, I'm going to add my nutmeg. Then I'm going to add a tip of salt to my flour. Next, my cinnamon powder. And then my allspice. So I'm going to combine all these dry ingredients together. Next, I'm going to add my wet ingredients in this pan. So I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, 2 bottles of dragon stout, 'This is my browning. My vanilla. Some molasses. Some honey, some guava jelly, guava jam, and essence of vanilla. Next, I'm going to add my eggs to my pan. And 2 sticks of butter. And I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. I'm not going to chill it on the stove. I'm going to mix it with my hands. And by mixing it and mixing it, because it's the same way like when you're mixing juice and you mix it until when the sugar is dissolved out of it. So I'm going to add some raisin. And I like to add a little walnut to my bun. Okay. Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. I've greased my pan and I'm going to add my mixture to my pan. And this is how I make my bun. Now I'm going to add my bun into my oven for my bun to bake for 1 hour and 20 minutes. My oven is already preheat. So I'm going to add my bun in the center of my oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. This is my finished bun. I have glazed my bun with guava jelly and onion. And look at these walnuts on top of it. And this is my finished bun. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.